Our top story now, and raising concern over the submission of nearly 1.25 crore feedback to the Joint Parliamentary Committee, which is scrutinizing the Waqf Amendment Bill. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has now called for a Ministry of Home Affairs-led probe into the sources of these submissions, citing possible intervention of external forces, including the possible role of ISI and China. The probe must cover the possibility of roles of fundamentalist organizations, individuals like Zakir Naik, and foreign powers like ISI and China, as well as their proxies, is what the BJP MP has written in a letter directed to the JPC chairperson, Jagdambika Pal. The Congress hit back, saying this was a mockery of democracy, that in a country of 140 crore, 1.25 crore letters are causing discomfort to the BJP. Meanwhile, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju said, "We will read the report and will probe if any need arises."
ऐसा है, देखिए, जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री का फंक्शनिंग का बारे में मैं नहीं कहूँगा, क्योंकि हमने जब जेपीसी बनाया तो उनको एम्पावर किया गया है। अब कितना मेल किस परिस्थिति में और कैसे भेजा है वो जेपीसी ही देखेंगे। हम तो सहयोग करेंगे, जेपीसी का हम सहयोग करेंगे। जेपीसी से हमने अभी रिपोर्ट लिया नहीं है। ये जेपीसी के अंदर में क्या हो रहा है वो मैं अंदर जाकर के छानबीन नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि वो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं। हमने जेपीसी बनाया और जेपीसी कुड एम्पावर्ड जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी है, उनके रिपोर्ट आने के बाद हम फिर देखेंगे। बाकी जो है वो उनका अपना अंदर का बात है।
ये एक झूठा प्रोपेगेंडा बीजेपी आरएसएस ये कर रही है पूरे देश में कि वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो एक प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है। बीजेपी इसको ऐसा बता रही है कि ये गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, तो ये एक प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है, नंबर वन। दूसरा, एक झूठा प्रोपेगेंडा बीजेपी आरएसएस और उनके अलाइज की तरफ से किया जा रहा है कि वक्फ बोर्ड के पास देश में 9,40,000 एकड़ जमीन है। मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, पार्लियामेंट की स्टैंडिंग कमेटी हो, पार्लियामेंट की सेलेक्ट कमेटी हो, पार्लियामेंट की ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी हो, पार्लियामेंट की ज्वाइंट वर्किंग कमेटी हो, पार्लियामेंट की बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी हो, इन तमाम कमेटीज में जो भी अंदर जो होता है वो हम नहीं बोल सकते। आप मेरे को चाह रहे हैं कि कोई लेटर लिखा चेयरमैन को, वो कमेटी का हिस्सा हो गया। अभी हम उसको कमेटी में बात करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, वो कमेटी का चेयरमैन तय करेगा, हम तय करेंगे।
ये लोकतंत्र के मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, उनको लोकतंत्र में विश्वास नहीं है। अगर इतने बड़े देश में से सिर्फ अगर 1.5% लोग ही अपना ओपिनियन जाहिर करते हैं, इसमें भी इनको दर्द होता है। हर जगह पे जबरदस्ती लोगों को रख के कह रहे थे कि ये व्हाट्सएप पे है, ये लिंक क्लिक करो, ये ईमेल करो। तो हो सकता है बीजेपी के चट्टे बट्टों ने जो किया है उसका असर निशिकांत जी को हुआ होगा।
Well, for the first time in the history of India, it is the government who had consulted by and large all the sections of society, and almost 1.4 crore submissions had been received to the JPC regarding the Waqf Board Amendment Bill. Now it is first the charge that had been levelled by Nishikant Dubey that there are maximum of the suggestions that had been received from international rackets. There are submissions that are in one language, and that conspires to an international sabotage. That also had led, and the letter written by Mr. Nishikant Dubey to the JPC chairperson Jagdambika Pal, it said that this is entire process to demean or downgrade the image of the country, and this needs to be probed. MHA should be probing in this entire suggestions that had been received, and also the demand suggests that there should be information that should come out in open as to what and who the source of these suggestions are. Now, on this other side, the Congress had stated that the Bharatiya Janata Party is rattled on the amount of submissions that they have received, and they had made a mockery out of it. Kiran Rijiju, Minority Affairs Minister, had clearly stated that this is in the history of India that such a large amount of consultation and an extensive consultation had been done throughout the country. Of course, they cannot comment on the JPC probe which is going because it's an independent body. On September 20, what our sources had been stating to us that there were several MPs who referred to Zakir Naik's name in the meeting that was held inside the Parliament complex, to which there was heated argument that went on between the BJP MPs and the opposition MPs. It was Sadruddin Owaisi who also raised voice when Zakir Naik's name was raised, and later it was Jagdamba Pal who settled the debate out between the BJP MPs and the opposition MPs. Of course, the government's point of view is to have wilder consultation, but because the suggestions are huge in numbers and that was not expected by the JPC in itself, from where the source has arrived, Nishikant Dubey had leveled charges and demanded investigation into it.